Hello students, welcome to Key Differences. I am Surbhi and once again I am back with a new lesson on the difference between PERT and CPM, that is Project Evaluation and Review Technique and Critical Path Method. So friends, let's get started. Program or Project Evaluation and Review Technique. Project evaluation and review technique is a technique of management of activities that is planning, scheduling, organizing, coordinating and controlling the activities of large-scale projects. It is a statistical tool which indicates the group of activities which are to be carried out for completion of a project. It is mainly used to analyze the project scheduling problems wherein the minimum time required for completion of each task and the project is identified. For this purpose, a PERT chart is created to show the group of activities and the estimated time, usually in weeks, for the completion of activities on a graph. As you can see, a PERT chart indicates that prior to beginning a new activity, the predecessor activity must be accomplished. The milestones are numbered so that it can be easily understood that the last node has a higher number than that of the beginning node. The activities are indicated by letters along with the expected time required for completing each activity. In this way, a graph can be plotted and one can easily plan the activities involved in a project and estimate the time needed for its completion. Critical Path Method or CPM. CPM is a network analysis technique used in planning, scheduling and controlling of complex but routine activities in a project. It is used to find out the earliest and latest possible start time and finish time for each activity. It is primarily employed in those projects whose time duration is certainly known, as well as the resources needed for completing the project is also supposed to be known. For this purpose, first of all, we need to identify the critical and non-critical activities on the basis of their importance to avoid chaos, queue generation and also reduce their time. Once all the critical activities are identified, a network is drawn. This network connects all the crucial activities and shows which activity is to be carried out first so that the sequent activities can be performed successfully. This method is based on activity on arc diagram to show critical path of activities, as you can see in the diagram here, wherein the numbered nodes represent stages required for accomplishing the project while arc represent the crucial activities which are identified previously. Difference between PERT and CPM. Meaning: PERT is a project management technique used to plan, schedule and control large-scale projects. On the other hand, CPM is a project management technique which plans and controls complex but routine projects. Orientation. In PERT, network can be constructed on the basis of events, whereas in CPM, jobs and activities forms the basis for constructing network. While PERT is based on probabilistic model, CPM uses a deterministic model because you cannot identify how much time it will take to complete the project in case of PERT, but this is possible in CPM. When it comes to focus, PERT focuses on time, that is meeting time target or forecasting percent completion. Conversely, CPM focuses on time and cost trade-off, as it gives importance to optimizing cost as well as crashing concept can also be applied to minimize the overall project duration along with least additional cost. Next, while PERT is based on 3 times estimate, that is optimistic time, more likely time and pessimistic time, CPM is based on single time estimate to complete a project. PERT is suitable for those projects which require high precision time estimate, whereas CPM is best for those projects which require reasonable time estimate. When it comes to nature of job, PERT is used where nature of job or activities is non-repetitive, whereas CPM is used where nature of job or activities is repetitive. Lastly, PERT is mainly used in research and development projects because the activities are unpredictable in nature, whereas CPM is commonly used in construction projects because here the activities are predictable in nature. Well friends, this brings me to the end of this lesson. I hope you find the lesson very useful. I am sure that after watching this lesson, all your doubts regarding the difference between PERT and CPM are cleared now. However, if you want to study the topic further in detail, you can visit our official website, that is keydifferences.com. Here you can find a detailed comparison of the two along with their definitions. Links are also provided in the description below. So guys, please like this video, share it with your friends and put in your comments below. And do subscribe our channel for more updates. I'll be back soon with a new lesson. Till then, take care. Bye bye.